So I just brought my bike to the bike shop for some new brakes. And instead of taking the traffic light crossing, where you obviously have to wait, let's go here. Where the quiet is calmer, it goes up to the Oh, this is another bike shop, but my bike shop is in a busy shopping street, so I didn't want to film there. So 60,000 people live in Heerhugowaard and over 90,000 in the municipality. It's pretty quiet if you move away into streets from the center and the bigger roads. You don't have to get lost here. Give my right hand a little rest. Ooh, houses are way newer than these. These are nice. Yeah, I have a bike shop that's way closer, by the way. But yeah. This is a dealer for the bike, and it's kind of special. So I didn't know way around this bike, but now it over a couple of times. So. I had to really explain them about the planetary gear, how they worked, with the cadence settings. They didn't really understand it, so they did it wrong a couple of times. They finally understood, so wouldn't want to go to someone else and explain it all over again. However, I could have brought it to anyone for breaks, maybe. Doesn't matter. This gives me a nice video. I think it will be about a half an hour walk back home, so at least home is my usually starting point at the roundabout. I will make more cycling videos. Spring has kind of started, so it will be nice to cycle again when I get the bike back. And GoPro was annoying for a lot of reasons, especially with uploading. Sometimes the segments get swapped. I've got a PC now, so I don't have to arrange it on my phone. Far enough away if you can see any faces. It's a school. Okay, so we're getting closer to, which is not the center road, but a road that kind of forms a ring around the center with other roads. Which is also very busy. It's called the West Convent, so the West Tangent. We're going to the construction site of the new railway underpass for cars and bicycles, and pedestrians and scooters, stick pedelecs of course. Yeah, I should have picked up a drink when I had the chance. Oh, okay. My mouth is really dry now. Oh yeah, I'll just show the street name sign. go here. I can go back over the bridge. This would be faster. Maybe I should do that. Ah, that's okay. This is a semi-light industrial office area, and well, there's big reconstruction going on anywhere. I can't imagine that these buildings will stay for another decade. I mean, come on. This one too, it's been refurbished, but it's a hellhole in there in summer. It's so hot. Maybe they got good aircon now, but it's also really small rooms. Well, I think that could stay. These old homes for handicapped and maybe elderly, and I don't know what I've done here the last years, but it's all being removed. For financial partners and physiotherapy and suntan room. How do you call it? Whatever. Radio. This station is now the dentist. Of course, we have a school here. Which is for adolescents who've had some lower medium education. Still not going to high school, not going to university. It's all different in the Netherlands. But yeah, you can learn your trade or go into work when you're 18 or something. And I guess it's been upgraded to many different things. This is a normal medium school. They may have joined even, I don't know. No, they haven't. No. Still hard. Kids here. So I'm filming down. Way too fast. So big construction going on. It's gonna last another 2 years or so. It's really closed off on the side. I'll go back. It's out of order, of course. Had to test it. It says it's out of order in the winter. Officially, it's not winter anymore, platform a little. Let's see what's going on there. There's the stairs at the end. That sound will be over. Also those buildings. Not so nice. But this will be our new main entrance of Heerhugowaard. Coming in from the crossing right beside the station is the new underpass. They're still digging, but they got the deck in, so well done. Trains are already moving again. It only took them 5 days or a week maybe. I have to look that up. And there we see Heerhugowaard in the back, on the other side of the road. I can't go here. So I'll have to go back. I could have been home already in 25 minutes or something from the bike shop. Oh yeah, for those who don't know, I only wear a helmet on the speed pedelec. We're obligated to by law. Not on a normal bicycle, but there is fat bike rules coming in. I believe this one is going to be the big one, right? Or is... yeah, whatever. So the big one is this one, and then the two half that size behind it, and some more. It's a lot. So it's going to be twice as high as this one, approximately. They shortened it down a bit because building really high is really expensive at the moment. So they chose the appropriate height, or the height makes it cheaper. Because you sell so many apartments, but it doesn't make it more expensive because you have to go down into the ground further, I guess. With your piles, cores, whatever. It's not happening. 60 meters or so they wanted. It's going to be 50 or so. No, it was going to be 70 and now around 50. That's 27. Trying to avoid people as much as I can. I'm filming their faces recognizably. There's still some businesses here. Dancing school. I don't even know if this one is really open. I think so. Yeah, it looks like it. The sign is really old. Yeah, this can all be torn down. They're actually, building company is in the building. See this construction site. This building is empty. That one. People still working there, probably. Yeah, this business. Taken over by a construction company, or one of them. There's going to be a lot of low-rise here as well. Maybe both. Maybe I'm wrong. So big construction in the municipality of Heerhugowaard to be exact. The biggest town, the only town, it's not a city as the Americans would call it. It's a town of 60,000. It will be a lot more. The municipality will go over 100,000 this decade, probably. It's about 90 or 91 now, I don't know. The fountain will be on soon, I guess. En de Westerweg. Oh, dat was mijn face. So this was built in 2009, I believe. Before that you had to cross the traffic lights, pushing the call button, and then the cars had to wait, and sometimes they didn't work and it got really dangerous because everybody goes for it then. Detour, south tangent closed. Heerhugowaard follow 1 for bicycles. Gildestraat bereikbaar. So south tangent is zuidtangent. Zuidtangent in Dutch. Just to be clear. So you'll see these at every big bicycle crossing outside of municipality borders. What's not really the border then? Okay. Outside of the towns where you can cycle 40 on the bicycle instead of 30. Or with your scooter or speed pedelec. Of course, everybody goes their top speed when they have a vehicle like that, but even within the borders, which is there. Here again, closed. Zuidafval. It's there. Behind that sign. Oh, police car. Fun. You don't see those too often. They don't have that many. So we've come to my usual starting point. Waiting the trucks to go on. Cars will have to wait.